Let's change the air filter in this KLX 110. First, let's remove this left plastic shroud. Just remove these three 8mm bolts. Next, remove these three Phillips screws with a screwdriver or use your drill if you want. Now the air filter lid will just come right off of there. The air filter itself could either be stuck to the lid side or the bike side. Now you can just wash out the air filter in some hot soapy water and then dry it out really good and reuse it with some fresh oil on the filter. But as you can see, my filter was so far deteriorated, it was gross and nasty, and it just crumbled apart in my hands. I definitely had to replace it, so I ended up getting a new one. Go ahead and take a rag and wipe out your air filter box. Make sure it's nice and clean. Here's the new filter I got. It was fairly cheap. I'll put a link to it in the description. So just go ahead and get it out of the package, and we need to put some oil on it. So if you don't have any filter oil, I'll also put a link to that in the description for you. But basically, you need to put just a little bit of oil on the filter and work it in. That way it captures most of the dust that goes through it. I did like how this new filter came with a pair of rubber gloves for putting the oil on. So go ahead and spray the new filter, both sides of the filter, with this oil and just work it in there as best you can. Make sure it's evenly coated on there and not overly saturated. To reinstall, just put your air filter in position and then grab your air filter box lid, make sure it's clean, put it in position and reinstall the three screws. Now reinstall that left shroud with the three 8mm bolts. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up for this video and follow for more useful KLX 110 videos. Here's a few more videos that I think you might like to watch.